What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer or send Ethereum from Binance to MetaMask wallet. So you might be wondering, how do you actually make the transfer here? Well, this one is fairly easy. So since we want to transfer from Binance to MetaMask, we need to first get the address of our MetaMask wallet. So in this case, let's go open up our browser here. Let's go and click on the MetaMask extension, and you want to go and log in into your account. Now from here on your options, you have receive. But before clicking that, you want to go to the top left here, and you want to make sure that you select the correct network here. Now, if you are transferring Ethereum, you want to make sure that you are using the Ethereum mainnet here. But otherwise, just make sure that you know which network you currently have right now. So in my case, I'm using the Ethereum mainnet. Now, in here, what we need to do is we just need to click on receive. And from here, you can go and click on copy address. Now, once you've done that, you want to go and go back into Binance here. And at the top right of your Binance account, you want to go ahead and click on the wallet option, or you want to hover over it. You want to go ahead and click on spot. Now, in here, what we need to do is we want to go and click on the withdraw option you see here. And from here, just fill out some details. Now, since we want to transfer Ethereum from our account here, let's go and choose ETH here. And you want to go to your address. So since we copied our address here, let's go and just paste it. And you want to select the network. Now, network is going to be really important. Now, you need to make sure that you match the network that your address or the wallet you're currently sending to, or you're using the same network. So since we use ETH for this wallet here, we are also going to use ETH. Now, if you select a different wallet here, it will lead you losing your funds or your amount here or your Ethereum. So again, just make sure you are using the correct network here. But yeah, so in this case, you want to go ahead and specify the amount that you want to send here. Also, you can go and click on max here, but in here, just review the network fees and click on withdraw. Now, you might need to confirm this by entering your password or entering some verification code, but go ahead and complete that, and typically speaking, around a few minutes or 5 minutes, the transfer should now be completed. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.